Good morning, guys. I'm at Wet and Wild this morning. Just going to go in and have a quick look at the construction of the new H2OASIS zone inside Wet and Wild. We'll also drive around a bit later around the back there where the studios are, and we'll have a look from over there. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and your support, and let's go inside and have a look. Don't forget the opening hours for Wet and Wild at the moment are only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 AM to 3:30 PM. Alright, let's go inside and have a look. The wave pool is still down for maintenance at Wet and Wild, but let's have a little look through here. That's what it looks like when she's empty. Don't know when this is meant to be back up and running, but shouldn't be too much longer. I would say by the September-October school holidays it'll be going again. Calypso Beach is still shut for the winter as well. Just again, I would assume that when the September-October school holidays start that this will be up and running again. One of my favourite rides out of all the theme parks is just getting in here and floating around. So relaxing. The surf rider is still closed. I'm not sure when it's meant to reopen, but the track looks like it's finished, but there is no carriage on there, or no ride vehicle on there at the moment. So just check the app and it doesn't say when it's going to open. Doesn't look like there's any work happening here today. They've still got a lot to do to be finished by December. I think it's meant to open. Although it does just clip together like a big jigsaw puzzle. But they've done a lot. A lot has been cleared. There's a few pieces in here as well. It's exciting to get new rides and stuff at the parks. Something new, something to bring the crowds. Looks like that might be a new toilet block or something, change rooms that they're building there. Just looking around, can't see anything different over this side. There's a lot of concrete and posts ready to go up. There's a look at the structure itself. I'll go and try and find a map somewhere so we can see exactly where which slide is going and the splash pad. There is a hell of a lot of rides closed today, so if you bought a one-day ticket, not a very good day to come. So just looking at a picture I've found on my phone, the H2OASIS splash pad area will be at the front here. Coming off the front of this structure will be, okay, so the double barrel will be coming off the front, heading down that way. The Super Ripper and the Kaboom, I believe, will be heading back the other way. So there you go, the Kaboom is the highest one. The Black Hole is the only big thrill ride that's running here today at Wet and Wild. There's only about 30 people here and not very many people are in line for this. So you know where it is, that's the main entrance there. So if you come all the way back to the Tornado, and it's all in here, this is where it's all going. It's where all the construction is, right beside the Black Hole and in between the horse paddocks. Hopefully you can see that over the back there, but where those pieces are, there's some nice clear tube as well, part of the water slides. That's going to be really cool going down the clear ones. All of it appears to be here. There is a lot more pieces here now than what there was before. All the groundwork looks like it's done, and now they've started the actual structure itself. It's going to be pretty impressive when it's finished. And like I said before, water slides don't take that long to go up. It's just like a big Lego piece, big Lego puzzle. Just clip it all together and away it goes. You can see here that they're still pouring concrete for supports. It's coming out a long way, like it's very close to the road here. But I can't wait to come down here and get wet when it's all done. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for our quick look at the construction here at Wet n Wild. Let us know what you're going to be riding first. Double barrel, Super Ripper, Kaboom. They all look pretty good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Hooroo!